Then and Now. Do you remember the ground-shaking action of Earthquake? This disaster epic brought Hollywood's biggest stars together for an unforgettable ride. Where are the stars now? Have you ever wondered what happened to the cast of Earthquake? Join us as we revisit their incredible journeys in Earthquake, Cast Then and Now, 2025. 1. Geneviève Bujold. Geneviève Bujold, born in 1942. At 32 years old, she played Denise Marshall, a dedicated mother and store manager who becomes a central figure in the disaster's aftermath. After that, she starred in films like Coma and Dead Ringers. In 2025, at 83 years old, she enjoys retirement, occasionally participating in film retrospectives and interviews. 2. Victoria Principal. Victoria Principal, born in 1950. At 24 years old, she portrayed Rosa Amici, a young woman caught in the turmoil of the earthquake, showcasing resilience and courage. After that, she gained fame as Pamela Barnes-Ewing on the TV series Dallas. In 2025, at 75 years old, she focuses on philanthropic efforts, particularly in animal rescue and environmental conservation. 3. Monica Lewis. Monica Lewis, born in 1922. At 52 years old, she played Barbara, the secretary to Sam Royce, contributing to the ensemble cast with her seasoned acting skills. After that, she continued her career in both music and acting, including voice work for the Chiquita Banana cartoon. She passed away in 2015 at the age of 93, leaving a legacy as a talented singer and actress. 4. Charlton Heston. Charlton Heston, born in 1923. At 51 years old, he starred as Stuart Graff, a construction engineer navigating personal and professional challenges amid the disaster. After that, he continued his prolific career with roles in Midway and The Awakening. He passed away in 2008 at the age of 84, remembered as one of Hollywood's iconic leading men. 5. Ava Gardner. Ava Gardner, born in 1922. At 52 years old, she portrayed Remy Royce Graff, the estranged wife of Stuart Graff, adding depth and complexity to the film's interpersonal dynamics. After that, she continued her illustrious career with roles in The Cassandra Crossing and The Sentinel. She passed away in 1990 at the age of 67, leaving behind a legacy as one of Hollywood's most glamorous and talented actresses. 6. George Kennedy. George Kennedy, born in 1925. At 49 years old, he portrayed Sergeant Lou Slade, a police officer demonstrating bravery and leadership during the catastrophe. He passed away in 2016 at the age of 91, leaving a legacy of versatile and memorable performances. 7. Lorne Greene. Lorne Greene, born in 1915. At 59 years old, he played Sam Royce, a business magnate and father-in-law to Stuart Graff, embodying authority and resilience. He passed away in 1987 at the age of 72, remembered as a beloved figure in television history. 8. Richard Roundtree. Richard Roundtree, born in 1942. At 32 years old, He portrayed Miles Quaid, a daredevil motorcyclist whose skills become crucial during the disaster. In 2025, at 83 years old, he remains active in the industry, with recent appearances in television dramas and films. 9. Marjoe Gardner. Marjoe Gardner, born in 1944. At 30 years old, he played Jody Jode, a disturbed National Guardsman whose actions add an unsettling layer to the disaster. In 2025, at 81 years old, he lives a private life, known for his past as a child preacher and his later acting career. 10. Walter Matthau. Walter Matthau, born in 1920. At 54 years old, he made a cameo as Drunken Man, providing a brief moment of dark humor amid the chaos. He passed away in 2000 at the age of 79, remembered as one of Hollywood's greatest comedic actors. Earthquake, 1974, directed by Mark Robson, is a disaster film that capitalized on the 1970s trend of large-scale catastrophe movies. Featuring an ensemble cast including Charlton Heston, Ava Gardner, George Kennedy, and Lorne Greene, the film follows multiple characters as they navigate the devastation caused by a massive earthquake in Los Angeles. Combining groundbreaking special effects, suspenseful storytelling, and personal drama, Earthquake remains one of the most iconic disaster films of its era. The film follows the lives of various characters in Los Angeles just before the city is struck by a catastrophic earthquake. The protagonist, Stuart Graff, Charlton Heston, is a former architect now working in construction. He is trapped in a loveless marriage with Remy, Ava Gardner, the daughter of wealthy businessman Sam Royce, Lorne Greene. Though Remy desperately clings to him, Stuart is secretly in love with Denise, Genevieve Bujold, a young widow and single mother. Meanwhile, Sergeant Lou Slade, George Kennedy, a tough and honest cop, struggles with the city's rising crime and bureaucracy. His frustration grows when he is suspended for punching a superior officer after a reckless police chase. Elsewhere, Jody, Marjoe Gardner, a mentally unstable grocery store clerk and National Guardsman, harbors disturbing fantasies and exhibits predatory behavior, particularly toward Rosa, a young woman he fixates on. Seismologist Dr. Frank Adams warns city officials of an impending major earthquake, but his concerns are largely ignored. Soon after, a series of foreshocks rock the city, but life continues as usual. Then, without warning, a devastating 9.9 magnitude earthquake strikes, reducing Los Angeles to rubble. Lessons. 1. The uncontrollable power of nature. No matter how advanced society becomes, nature remains unpredictable and unstoppable. 2. Human resilience in crisis. In the face of disaster, people either rise to the occasion, Stuart, Slade, or succumb to fear and madness, Jody. 3. Sacrifice and heroism. Stuart's ultimate sacrifice highlights the selflessness required in times of catastrophe. 4th. Flaws in bureaucracy. The failure of officials to act on seismologists' warnings reflects real-world issues in disaster preparedness. The fragility of civilization. The sudden collapse of a major city serves as a stark reminder of how quickly everything can change. Thank you for revisiting the stars of Earthquake, 1974. Their performances made this disaster classic, unforgettable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite celebrities and classic movies. Until next time, stay safe.